Hey, what took you so long getting here, man? It's about to cancel my delivery. Don't you do this for a living?
Freeway closures. You can't control them no matter what you do.
Freaking delivery drivers, always full of excuses. This is your job.
Hey, at the end of the day, as long as we deliver, it doesn't matter what time I get here, right?
All right, let's see what you got for me. What do you got in here, like 8?
There is 5 full-size 35-inch tires with wheels in here.
Golly. What can brown do for you? Oh wait, it's blue. This is why you don't buy new tires. The problem is everybody wants for used tires, we can buy new ones for them.
Correct.
So now we're all back to buying new ones. Now listen, I don't know where you guys buy your tires from, but if you're not doing Facebook Marketplace deals with good friends that deliver, you're just doing it wrong.
Call Steve.
Brought to you by WOLFBOX, a rear view mirror that just happens to be a dash cam too. Check this out, it's right here. The WOLFBOX G840S comes with everything you need right inside this convenient little box. Check out the packaging on this, by the way. Really sweet how they, I'm a package guy, really sweet how they get it all in here. Nice little box. Comes with all the stuff you need to make your install a success. GPS wire, power cord, of course the bands you need to install it over your existing mirror. That's right, you can put it over top the mirror you have right now, so there's no need to scrape that old one off and put the glue out there on it and hope and pray that this thing stays. No, you just simply use the straps provided, put this right over top of your rear view mirror. The WOLFBOX is packed full of features, and well, this handy dandy instruction manual is clearly going to let you know what all those features are. You can get to everything and access it right here on the screen, which is pretty cool. You can just type your stuff in, press record, press on, press off, set your date, set your time. It even has its own app, so you can control it through your phone. That's right. So you're going to have a dash cam in this guy, and then you're going to have a backup camera or reverse camera, if you so choose, running down the length of the vehicle to the back of the vehicle. So you can record what's in front of you as well as what's behind you. Bonus, if you hook this up to your reverse light switch, it's automatically going to turn on and function when your car is placed in reverse. Now, WOLFBOX provides you everything you need to get up and running and make this install a success, even the SD card. It's the little things in life, I tell you. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing installed so I can show you guys what it really looks like. The mirror just simply goes on top of your existing mirror, and then you use these bands to adjust it and fasten it securely. First part of the process, up and running pretty easy. That's right, how convenient is that? You just plug it into any auxiliary power source, and it even gives you another one here in the end, so you can still charge your phone and do things while you have it running. And you're up and running in no time. Let's go ahead and get this thing permanently installed, tuck that wire a little bit better, and get the rear view camera hooked up. We're gonna have to run that all the way to the back as well. So be sure to follow the link in description, use the code provided, and buy yourself a WOLFBOX rear view camera dash cam today. That's a mouthful, but these guys have gone out of their way to make sure that this killer product is gonna give you some little safety and satisfaction on the road. That's a pretty good pitch. Because, you know, supporting them supports me, and, well, really, that's what it's all about. So I can keep making, you know, the quality content that you guys care about. Yeah, and before we wrap up this paid promo, check out some of the actual footage recorded from the camera. Yeah, that's me. That's me right there walking, picking up my daughter from school, making sure she gets inside the Jeep safe. Good stuff.
That's a nice looking set of zip ties you have there, sir.
I'm with the zip tie king today. His name is Ben Turpak. He has taken a lot of interest in zip ties over the years.
Look at those fucking things.
He has shared with me his zip ties today. It's starting to rain.
And now this brings back memories. Yeah, a little bit. This hill's gonna be a lot more fun. God, that almost felt like cheating. That's pretty fucking easy. There's a lot of people out here. There's another set of lights coming up behind the hill. Yeah, stay left.
Now looking on his phone map, it looks like where you're going, we come up and around in a zigzag like you were talking, and then gets back up to the main road.
Yeah, this is the trail for sure, 100%. Yeah, it's a little sketchy, but that left line is definitely better.
I think he was down here earlier, but he turned around or something, but it looks like where he went is where you're at now.
I can see why he turned around. I almost questioned myself too. It's really easy to get lost and turned around out here. And when you meet people out on the trails, don't be so sketched out. Help them out, man. Not everybody's a threat. You need to be kind. You know, be aware, be prepared, but be kind and be ready to help others.
Yeah, I can't remember.
Everybody see him. It's a cool run.
It was at this very moment. Driver. There you go. Woo! Gnarly. It's starting to rain again.
Show off.